Hello everyone, I'm the Yorkshire Gardener and this week it is National Allotment Week. So we are celebrating being down on the allotment and enjoying it. So National Allotment Week, what does it mean? Basically, it's promoting the enjoyment throughout the allotments and the benefits of what an allotment can do down on the plot. So if you're watching this on YouTube, click the subscribe button, or if you're watching it on Facebook, feel free to share it and like it and get the word out about the allotments and how good they are. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about how good an allotment is for somebody. What are the benefits of an allotment? Well, the benefits of an allotment to me, personally, has definitely been the best during the past 6 months, as the lockdown, what was happening for the coronavirus, where we weren't allowed out to certain places, but thankfully we were allowed to the allotment sites. So that was absolutely perfect. I could come down here, enjoy it, being in the fresh air, digging, getting my hands dirty and enjoying planting all my seeds and everything. The thought of not being able to come to my allotment during lockdown, it absolutely crushed me. When they first said about the lockdown, I thought, what am I going to do? I can't get down to the allotment and enjoy the fresh air, see the bees buzzing around, watching things grow, enjoying being out and about in the fresh air. As I live in a flat, so I've not got a garden, so I can't get out in the garden. So the allotment is my garden, it's my haven, it's where I enjoy it and where I can just sit and relax really. I'm not always gardening. I do spend a lot more time probably sitting around and relaxing and enjoying the fresh air and looking at the beautiful colours. If you can see behind me, I've got all my sweet peas and they smell absolutely beautiful. So to see the colours, to see when the lockdown was happening, I could see all the spring bulbs, watch the bumblebees coming out of hibernation, enjoying the nectar from the spring bulbs and enjoying it really. Obviously where I'm based on my allotment, there's no traffic around, so it's pollution free and the air is fresh and I can just enjoy it. And also, allotments and gardening has been proven to be good for mental well-being as well. It's somewhere that I can't remember the word, but the benefits of gardening is so good for the mind. You're not thinking about anything, you're just digging, enjoying, looking for them bad weeds and obviously getting them out as much as possible. It's always a job and a half digging out all the weeds. So what I want you to do is let me know in the comments below what are the benefits of gardening are to you and the enjoyment that you'll get out of it. Obviously one of the main enjoyment is as well getting all the fresh produce. You know what you've put into that plant, you know how much you've looked after that plant, you know what chemicals have gone into that plant. Hopefully no chemicals have gone in. You know that it's organic and it's fresh, and the taste you get from your own produce is so much nicer than the shop bought ones. It doesn't last as long when you pick it because there's no chemicals to protect it and to preserve it, so you know that it's fresh and it's so good. So let me know in the comments what you get out of gardening and how much it benefits you. Each day we'll post a new video on a different topic, so get involved in National Allotment Week and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching everybody, and remember, keep gardening and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube and give it a like and a share. Thanks for watching, see you soon.